Hello friends, hope you well, and I'm back with another idea, that is painting old furniture for your home and the garden. Painting old furniture is a great way to give it a new lease of life, adding some color and personality to your living space. Whether it's an old wooden chair, dresser, or a coffee table, painting it can transform it into a unique and eye-catching piece of furniture. One of the main benefits of painting old furniture is that it can be a cost effective way to update your home decor. Instead of buying new furniture, which can be expensive, you can repurpose and paint old furniture to get it a fresh and modern look. This is particularly useful for those who are on a budget or looking to save money. Another advantage of painting old furniture is that it allows you to express your creativity and add a personal touch to your home. You can choose the colors and patterns that match your style and preferences, creating a unique and personalized piece of furniture that is truly your own. You can also experiment with different techniques such as distressing or stenciling to create a vintage or shabby chic look. Painting old furniture also has environmental benefits as it reduces the amount of waste that ends up in landfills. By repurposing old furniture, you can reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. When painting old furniture, it's important to properly prepare the surface and choose the right type of paint. Sanding and priming the surface can ensure that the paint adheres properly and lasts longer. Using high quality durable paint can also ensure that the furniture remains in good condition and doesn't chip or peel easily. In conclusion, painting old furniture is a fun and creative way to update your home decor while also reducing waste and saving money. With some basic tools and materials, anyone can transform old and worn out furniture into a colorful and unique piece that adds character and style to any room. So this is all about today's video. I hope so you like this information. Do tell us from where you're watching us and subscribe our channel.